about 4 years to get the first product registration in that market. But after that, once we proved that we are different, we can add value, we can give products which are not there in the country, first time in the country, the government also understood it, and then approvals started coming very fast. But then that initial period is very, very tough, and that is something which is the biggest challenge. The second biggest challenge, which I think you know uh, I don't want to discourage the students, but unfortunately the mentality of चलता है वाला जो है वो इंडिया में बहुत है, and somehow there are some people who try to still get into the other markets with that attitude, and which is something which is not acceptable, and that becomes a big problem, especially in the English speaking Africa, Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, etc. If you go there, there will be lot of players who are operating, who even don't have the Schedule M compliances. The unfortunate problem of the cough syrups, which happened some time back, was something which was very clearly this one. Now, one person making a mistake of giving a wrong cough syrup, because of which there are children deaths, the credibility of the entire Indian industry becomes very big problem. To re-establish your credibility that your product is not that way, it is, though it is an Indian product, it is something which is different, is something which is very difficult then. And it takes time, it takes efforts, it takes investment, because then they start asking for a lot of compliances, a lot of studies. So that becomes a big cost for you. So I think there are issues which always are there. Competition is always there. There are many countries who are vying for these markets. So it's something which you need to be quality conscious, but at the same time you need to be cost conscious also. So if your costs are good, you will be able to succeed. If your costs are high, you will not be able to succeed.